可以令到冰封嘅心融化。
Exactly right, Olaf. It is about our sisterly bond.
就係因為咁，你同愛莎可以和好如初。我覺得下雪節真係好溫暖啊！
Oh, me too, Olaf.
咁開心，不如大家一齊講 Happy Summer Snow Day！
Yes, everyone, can you shout it out? Happy Summer Snow Day! It is a happy summer snow day because today we celebrate our connection to our family, friends, and our community
今日仲
too.
會有愛意同埋慶典同埋 party， 食到成到為止啊！
And we also spend time with loved ones, like you, Olaf.
你屋企人見愛莎嘅？
Oh, yes, Elsa should be here soon. I just sent her a message that the visitors to Arendelle were so excited to see her. Aren't you? Yes, so perfect. Well, I know Elsa's favorite song, and I think if we all sang it together, she might hear
愛
us.
莎聽到我哋唱歌就會嚟探我哋。
It's a song our mother taught to us when we were little. It goes like this. Repeat after me. Na 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 hey ya na.
嗱嘿呀嗱！
That was so great, but I don't think Elsa heard. I think again, even louder. You too, Olaf.
大家大聲啲唱。嘿呀嗱！
Wait, it's working. One more time, even louder.
嘿呀嗱！
It's worked. Wow. Olaf, look. Elsa's behind you. Not that way. That way. Elsa's coming. This is so exciting. She should be here so soon. No idea if she likes our playhouse. Elsa's coming. Are you ready? She's really here. It's Elsa. Elsa's here. Hi. Anna. Elsa, you're here. I missed you so
哦，
much.
有咩好得我見到佢哋兩姊妹諗諗？
I miss you too, Olaf.
哦，點會㗎？我咪喺度咯。
Anna, this is amazing. I can't believe this is the same place you used to play when we were young.
So you really like it?
Absolutely. Some of my favorite memories are playing with you in this room. And there's nothing better than seeing it full of friends. Hello, everyone.
Elsa, we are all so excited that you're here, especially on Summer Snow Day. Look, I asked the greatest artisans in all of Arendelle to help create these sculptures. They each represent a different spirit of the forest.
They're beautiful, Anna. There's air, fire, and water. These spirits helped me discover who I am, to see what true sounds.
水，我最中意水啊！唔係，我最中意風或者土。但係布魯尼係火喎，佢咁可愛。
Anna, should we see which spirits our new friends connect with? Perhaps they'll learn something about themselves.
That is a wonderful idea.
Everyone, move towards the statue that calls to you. They each have a special strength.
哦，我嘅強項係跌散晒都可以砌翻好啊！
Yes, that's right, Olaf. If you open your heart, the spirits will call to you. Let's try.
大家一齊感受下邊一個精靈同你嘅聯繫最強啊！
Well, which spirit calls to you? Air, earth, fire, or water? Choose your favorite spirit, everyone.
水之靈長期不過嘅頭四位。